Trying to figure out what these buckles are. They seem to be made of brass. These are all cast. This brass piece seems to be welded on. There's absolutely no markings. They all seem to be the Knights of Templar with the small cross. And then this piece seems to go with it. That looks like it was plated in silver, but it's also brass. They all came in a little bag, but we're not sure if it's associated or not. It's King's Men. For the man who is to life's finest. Basically, it's a toiletry company out of the 1940s, but so far we can only see cologne and aftershave. So, if anybody out there recognizes these, or recognizes, we found something similar on Etsy. It said Victorian era buckles, but had no information. So appreciate any and all information. Thank you.